we were just in the middle of the debate on amateur status, and David Hassan had given a very, uh, convincing argument about the two motions for that. And then the next thing, there was a bit of noise outside in the foyer, and then the doors burst open, and a couple of protesters in, alley on side, and up to the top table to confront Jarlath and the GAA top brass. So yeah, it was a bit of drama there, and there's always a bit of drama at Congress, like, but obviously that's not
That's not what we
to
expected.
it's a very serious issue, and it's not to make light of it. Like when I was going into Congress, the guys at the door were telling me that they'd already turned back 4 people who'd tried to get into the building. So then once after that, the outside was quiet on Jones's Road, and then the protest started. As you mentioned, Peter Canavan and Brent Devaney, who Ross Carr, Colin O'Rourke,
Greg Blaney.
yeah, Jared Gilroy, wasn't it, or Pat Gilroy? There's quite a few there, and obviously, legitimately so. But you could hear it outside, and then right in the middle of the amateur status debate, it all burst in. But then the first two came in, and Jarlath was on. Thanks for making your point. Typical Jarlath, like diplomacy. Thanks for making your point. You're very welcome, but can you please leave? But then there was another. Yeah, a few people came in, and I must like they were quite stoked up, I'd say, and calling the delegates, you have blood in your hands, all you have, and all this, and making their point. But I mean, then they broke for lunch, and then when we come back from the lunch, it had all calmed down. So personally, like, if you're a protester, and you want to make your point well, they made it extremely well. Outside, yes, okay, you get a certain amount of coverage for that, but as we're talking about it now.